Microsoft 365 Backup _ Setup Pay-as-you-go billing. Unlike traditional user-based licenses, Microsoft 365 Backup is a pay-as-you-go offering that charges based on consumption. To set up pay-as-you-go billing, you'll need to create an Azure subscription and a resource group. Start by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and selecting Setup. Scroll down to the Billing and Licenses section and select Activate Pay-as-you-go. Services. Select Get Started, and then choose Syntax Services. Select Create a Pay-as-you-go subscription to open the Azure portal. Then choose the offer for Pay-as-you-go. If you have not previously set up a billing profile for Azure services, you will be asked to create one now. Start by accepting the terms and conditions of the Microsoft Services Agreement. Then add a phone number for identity verification purposes. Add payment information and other details, and complete the sign-up process. Your new Azure subscription is now ready to go if your organization already has an existing Azure billing profile. When you select the offer for Pay-as-you-go, you'll be directed to set up a new Azure subscription. Start by selecting the appropriate billing account. If needed, you can change the management group or a subscription owner. Next, you'll set up a subscription budget, including alerts for when a budget threshold has been exceeded. Add tags if needed, and that's it. Select Create to finish setting up your new subscription. Now let's set up a resource group. Navigate back to the Microsoft 365 Admin portal and select Create a Resource Group in the Azure portal. Give your resource group a name and choose your desired region. Add tags if needed, and then select Create to finish. Now you can return to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center again and select your newly created subscription and resource group. Choose the region where you'd like the billing metadata stored. Your backup content will not be stored in this region. Your backup content stays in the regions approved for your primary M365 data. Finally, accept the billing terms and you're done. To turn on Microsoft 365 Backup, you need to go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center on the Syntax page. In the Storage section, select Backup. On the Backup panel, select Turn On the Turn On Backup panel. Review the terms of service for Microsoft 365 and then select Save. Now you're ready to set up and configure Microsoft 365 Backup. Thank you for watching us.